Oga trader. Full of wonder.
Now you want to stay now?
Jesus.
You should talk with that one. You want insult all afternoon.
Who get cage? You did tell me rubbish.
Where you go to shout?
Who get cage? Where cage for come?
Na my cage.
Now you want to stay now?
And I blame you. I not blame you. See me finish now. If you not see me finish, you know doesn't this cage I want to stay.
If you know what this, what you call use cage they do?
I want the trade foul. Not use your eye calculator. Foul.
See why I shall begin trade foul. You want the trade foul? Okay, here you see money back cage.
You know they receive debit alert.
Wait oh, now my ATM card you go carry take go back cage.
Na part of investment now.
Money within that account, I want use am go market to restock my store. Now you go to back cage.
So maggi wey dey sell for stock. Now you want to go to the stock market. I buy am all the trade foul.
You are who?
Me and you.
So they go put Omomo for back. Omomo still black rubber. You want to stay with Percy? Go see by far when you want the trade.
Yes. I be industrious woman.
Oh, industrious. I don't get belly. Industrious woman they get belly.
No, but you put her. No, but you put her. When you tell me say I sweet, you don't know.
Nothing sweet.
You don't know.
Nothing sweet there.
Nothing sweet there.
See, I tell you the truth. I tell you my mind. I tell you my mind. Yeah. This afternoon, if you don't return that money, one of us go die this afternoon.
Now go die.
Why you call the wrong place house?
Come inside, we'll go kill ourselves.
Fight what happen for here, mo go house.
Come now, we'll go kill ourselves in house. We'll go kill ourselves in house.
Now, case you talk about, where you gonna go for?
We'll go inside.
Wait for me if you get one.
I beg you.
Get out of here.
This is an umbrella. You know the that's how we do.